Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install half the cost of repairs mod in Stalker 2. This mod changes the cost of repairs, cuts it by half or by 25% or by 75%, and to do it first go into the website, which is here. It's also in the website, in the description of the video, so you can just click on the link. Then you can read the description here and go to files. Then you can choose whether you want to download repair cost 50, so it's gonna be so the cost of repairs will be reduced by half, or reduced by 25% if you download this file, or by 75% if you download this file. Only download one of the files. You cannot put two files, different repair costs in one folder. So let's download the standard version, which reduces by half. Click on manual download. Then if you are signed into the website, you can just click on slow download, and if you are not signed in, then you can click on sign in somewhere here, then click on slow download. So let's download it, wait for 5 seconds until it starts downloading, and now it's downloaded into the downloads folder. You can click here to show files in the folder, then right click on it and click on extract all, extract, and now it's extracted. You can see it here. Then I'm gonna go into the Steam app and right click on Stalker 2 game, then properties, installed files, browse, and now go to Stalker 2 content packs and go into ~mods folder. If you don't have it, you can just create it by right clicking somewhere on the screen, the new folder, and now name it ~mods, but I already have it, so I'm not gonna create it. Let's delete that one. Okay, and let's open the mods folder. Then let's open the window in which we have the PAK file and just drag it into the mods folder. And now you can open the game in Steam, and when you open it, the cost of repairs will be reduced by half, or by 25%, or by 75%. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.